Hi Morgan, we're back with Ava, and I will tell you she was growling and snarling at Molly earlier when she was in the cage, so we're just kind of using her as the little distraction off to the side. Oh, and she's good at it too. You know, because she has got to learn to inhibit her behavior around little dogs. Sorry, don't wave at me for smoking cigarettes. Anyway, I don't have my soundbox collar, but I'm doing the pager, and I do have my Nick set on 100 if she tries to lurch over there and get my precious Molly. Expect her to love every other little dog, but to be indifferent towards them. Sit or anything. Down. Good girl. Wonderful. Wonderful. Oh, what a good girl. That wasn't as easy as it looked, because let me tell you, she used every ounce of her strength to resist doing it. She is a very smart dog, but I mean, if you don't make her do something, she obviously wasn't taking her own initiative. Good girl. Lowering the leash, putting my foot on there. Oh, what a wonderful, wonderful girl. She is my wonderful, wonderful girl. A lot of verbal praise from up here, looking down on her. She is my good girl. She is my wonderful, wonderful girl. She's a good girl. She's not wanting to eat the treats because I've been putting some pressure on her. Put some pressure on her earlier. So I'm trying to eat slowly for lunch. Girl. But we will work on getting that food drive built up, but again, that can't be my main concern in the beginning. This isn't just a standard, you know, training job. We're using this as a way to, you know, basically save her life. Oh, because she's such a good girl. She's my good girl. Keeping my foot on there. Right, start my pager. You can see because of, you know, she has had to have pressure put on her, basically have that continuous bump and stuff when she tries to go after the other dog. She does have sort of a, you know, a different physical reaction to the pager than most of them do. Oh, she's my good girl.